I'm Aaron from Columbia.
And I'm Phil from PRC Taping.
And today we're going to go over how to use a standard flusher to flush your corners. In this video we're using a 3-inch standard flusher because that's the industry standard. We've already taped and rolled the corner here, and now we're going to flush it out with this 3-inch flusher. You want to start about 6 to 8 inches from where you're going to begin on the tape. You don't want to start right at the edge because that could pull your tape up. You're going to flush up from the bottom. Work your way up to the top, then you're going to work your way down, making sure you filled all the bevels. If you don't get it all in 2 tries, do a 3rd or 4th.
A really cool feature on these flushers is that they have wheels, so they're really easy to run.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. I'd like to thank Phil from PRC Taping for helping out, and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like this.